The pyramids of Egypt. How were they built? The pyramids of Egypt, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, remain one of the greatest architectural mysteries. These massive stone structures, built over 4,500 years ago, were created as tombs for pharaohs, Egyptian kings. But how did the ancient Egyptians manage to build them without modern technology? The construction relied on limestone, a type of rock, and granite, a harder stone, which were quarried, cut out from nearby sites. Huge blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons, were transported to the building site, possibly using sleds, flat surfaces dragged by workers, and lubricated paths of mud or water to reduce friction. Once at the site, workers used ramps, which were long, inclined surfaces, to move the stones up the pyramid. These ramps may have been straight or spiraled around the structure, allowing the heavy stones to be moved into place. The precision of the pyramid's design shows that ancient Egyptians had advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy, the study of stars and celestial bodies. They aligned the pyramid with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, demonstrating their skill in using the stars as navigational tools. In short, the pyramids were built using a combination of human labor, simple tools, and clever engineering techniques that continue to fascinate historians today.